cerebral aqueduct. A small recess, the recessus pinealis, projects into the stalk of the pineal body, while in front of and above the pineal body is a second recess, the recess suprapinealis, consisting of a diverticulum of the epithelium which forms the ventricular roof. Each lateral wall consists of an upper portion formed by the medial surface of the anterior two-thirds of the thalamus, and a lower consisting of an upward continuation of gray substance of the ventricular floor. These two parts correspond to the alar and basal laminae, respectively, of the lateral wall of the fore-brain vesicle, and are separated from each other by a furrow, the sulcus of Monro, which extends from the interventricular foramen to the cerebral aqueduct. The lateral wall is limited above by the taenia thalami. The columns of the fornix curve downward in front of the interventricular foramen and then run in the lateral walls of the ventricle, where, at first, they form distinct prominences, but subsequently are lost to sight. The lateral walls are joined to each other across the cavity of the ventricle by a band of gray substance, the massa intermedia. Interpeduncular fossa. This is a somewhat lozenge-shaped area of the base of the brain, limited in front by the optic chiasma, behind by the anterior superior surface of the pons, anterolaterally by the converging optic tracts, and posterolaterally by the diverging cerebral peduncles. The structures contained in it have already been described. From behind forward, they are the posterior perforated substance, corpora mammillaria, tuber cinereum, infundibulum, and hypophysis. End of section 13.